Good morning. This is a recording for Monday, September 22nd. The Zen story for today is titled The Time the Monk Said No. They came to another split in the road, the left path worn and steady, the right overgrown and winding up into unfamiliar hills. The monkey scratched its chin. Left is obvious, so let's go right. The monk paused. No, he said. The monkey stopped mid-step. No? The monk turned toward the steady trail and began walking. The monkey blinked. Wait, that's not how this works. The monk kept walking. The monkey followed, jogging to catch up. You always at least consider my suggestions. That's the whole dynamic. I tempt, you ponder, then either regret or learn something profound. But this is new. Still, the monk walked. The monkey fell into a sulk, trailing a few paces behind. No? Just like that? No discussion, no internal struggle, no dramatic pause followed by an ambiguous sigh? The monk did not respond. They walked in silence for a while. Then softly the monkey chuckled. Well, 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 look who found a spine. Or maybe just got tired of circles. It climbed onto a low branch and swung behind him. Let's see where that leads you. The monk smiled, just barely. They kept walking, and behind them, the overgrown path waited, undisturbed. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Perhaps close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. When you finally say no to your old patterns, what part of you tries to talk you out of it? And do you listen? When you finally say no to your old patterns, what part of you tries to talk you out of it? And do you listen? Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. When you finally say no to your old patterns, what part of you tries to talk you out of it? And do you listen? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.